Hello, my name is Anqi Chen, and I'm along with my teammate. We'll be presenting about NoSQL and Couchbase database. Through the learning of CS 623 class, we have learned a lot about relational database and how to use SQL query to manipulate data. However, there are not limitations to the relational database structure, and new development in the space had to be made to accommodate for the massive amount of data that is produced and collected in today's modern society. This began the advent of a different type of database structure, one that would be able to work with the outside of the constraints of relational databases and the SQL query language. The new database structure was called NoSQL, which generally stood for not only SQL. NoSQL is a type of database management system that is designed to handle and store large volumes of unstructured and semi-structured data. Unlike traditional relational databases that use tables with predefined schemas to store data, the features of NoSQL are that NoSQL databases use flexible data models that can adapt to change in data structures, and NoSQL are capable of scaling horizontally to handle growing amounts of data. NoSQL are generally classified into the following four categories depending on the storage format of data. There are column family stores, key value stores, document databases, and graph databases. The particular NoSQL database we will focus on today is Couchbase. Couchbase is a NoSQL distributed and open source database. It is known for its flexibility, scalability, and high performance. Couchbase has some key features as the following. First, it is a document-oriented database, which means it stores the data source in JSON format. Couchbase has high performance, and it is designed for fast read and write operations. Couchbase is easy to scale horizontally to handle increased data nodes, and Couchbase is a multiple model database. It supports both document and key value data models, which means it is both a key value stores type and document type database. Couchbase's architecture is a significant factor contributing to its high performance. It is a distributed architecture with a masterless peer-to-peer topology. This architecture allows for horizontal scalability by adding nodes to the cluster and can enhance high data availability through data replication and sharding. As can be seen in this architecture image, the key value data is put through a CIC 32 hash algorithm, which then put into a specific shard, then assign the data to a specific data node. According to the mapping relationship in the cluster map, the flexibility of increasing or decreasing data nodes makes dynamic scalability and robust data management possible. I will now hand it off to my teammate Yutong to speak about the query language and real-world use cases of Couchbase.
Hello, this is Yukong. This slide, we will introduce Nico. The query language of Couchbase is called N1QL, and we call it Nico. and it allows developers to perform SQL-like queries on JSON documents, combining the familiarity of SQL with the flexibility of NoSQL. Now you can see some sample codes in select, update, insert, and delete of Nico. The first one is the select sample. You can see here. This query finds the top 3 overall rated hotels. The subquery in the projection finds the average overall rating across all rating of the given hotel document T. And the result will be showing the JSON format. And let's see the next one. Next slide. In this slide, you can see this example. Is about update Nico sample. The subquery filters for five rated reviews and sorts them by reviewer name. The result of the subquery is assigned to a new field reviews 5-star in the hotel document. You can see here. And let's go the next part. Then you can see the insert Nico sample. This is correlated subquery with insert. In this example, you can see we select the city and name of hotel where the cities are in the landmark document. And along with the new data type to insert this data into hotel document. You can see here this is the result. And let's see the next one, number 8. The last example is delete query. This is a correlated subquery with delete all hotel records, which have the minimum overall rating over 4 reviewers. And here delete from hotel document. See some conditions here, and here's results. Next one, number 9. In real-world use cases, what fields can Couchbase be applied to? And we will have that question. Here are some cases. Firstly, for caching, Couchbase is commonly used for caching, reducing the need to fetch data from primary data store and improving application performance. Next is real-time analytics. Couchbase supports real-time analytics on operational data, enabling businesses to derive insights from their data in near real time. It can also be used in user profile management. Couchbase is well suited for managing user profiles in applications, providing fast and flexible access to user data. Okay, let's look at the next part. This part, the famous case is LinkedIn and application for looking for jobs. And before the implementation of Couchbase, several challenges existed in the database management of LinkedIn. LinkedIn originally used Oracle database, and the Oracle couldn't effectively scale reads, so the backend systems were crashing, and the caching system had reliability issues and it was difficult to manage. The database system needed built-in replication and cluster expansion without sacrificing high performance. See here. And what is the outcomes of the implementation of Couchbase? Couchbase, of course, Couchbase is used for all in-memory storage in the data center, which could power over 10 million queries per second. The tremendous performance at scale achieved very small averaging latency for over 2.5 billion items, and its built-in replication and cluster expansion and automatic partitioning reduced operations costs as well. Okay, let's see the last one, some references. In conclusion, Couchbase, a leading NoSQL database, revolutionizes data management. Its flexibility, scalability, and top-notch performance make it a key role in modern applications, whether for caching or real-time analytics. Couchbase meets diverse needs, empowering organizations into this dynamic data landscape. As we embrace innovation, Couchbase have as emerges as a key catalyst for efficient and adaptable data solutions. And you see some reference link here and the books, and I reference these passages. So this is all about NoSQL and Nico. And thank you.